So today they are working on another drill to get foundations in, and this is where the station brake run's gonna be. It's not actually the station area, but this is where the brake runs will be when you finish riding your tallest coast in the UK of your life for 2024. And yeah, it's literally the brake runs and the stalling point before you enter the station again, which is there. If you can see, this is from Monk's Walk, by the way, and of course I've got to show you again anyway. Before it gets to its new location, the ground pins. It's literally so cool seeing that. But yeah, I don't know when they're going to start drilling, because they were testing the drills a little bit and then they're trying to move its position. But at some point that's going to happen. But they really are in good progress at the minute. So I'm really excited to see when it starts. I did film a few seconds of it and then it just kept stopping, and I don't quite know, to be honest, what they were doing. But at the minute it's just been standing still for the last couple of minutes now. So yeah, oh, actually it's spinning right now. Well, no, stop, that's what I mean. It's just started. Oh, there you go. Literally, it is spinning a little bit, but then turn it opposite. So it's about, oh, here we go. Is it gonna happen? I'm not quite sure. I think they're still doing something on that site at the minute, but it is bound to be happening in the next, without doubt, few minutes at least. That was interesting. There was blue markings where the maintenance bay is going to be, and then we saw drills were like on and off, and then all of a sudden they were just got it in the right place and then just drill much as they can really, and then just basically got to a point and then put it back up again. They're obviously continuing where they are, but they just have to do it in some pace. But overall, there's a lot of activity at the far end, but we weren't able to see that from Monk's Walk, unfortunately. So yeah. So maintenance bay's got blue markings now. That's pretty interesting, because that wasn't there last time, I don't think I saw it. So yeah, there are a lot of works in there, but yes, very active site today. Still working over there. Yeah, but they're mainly sorting out concrete today around there. So I'm going to queue for Nemesis Inferno, I went on, saw a lot of pings are now ready for the far end section. However, I went past Burger King and I've taken a few pictures and I don't think anyone has noticed it. Check these out. That is what I've been seeing inside of Burger King at Thorpe Park. I like the graphic work, but what does it mean now? It's still interesting. So yeah, I've literally taken those photos from inside of a Burger King because I was like, that's pretty interesting to see. But anyway, I'm gonna go Nemesis now. Nemesis is a photo out of Thorpe Park. Oh, I do enjoy Carnival. It's a really good event, but there is something interesting still that really gets me. All these fortune teller cards are getting interesting now, but this one really gets me thinking still. I love the colourways to do with Carnival, but yeah, this one's interesting though. Yeah, the future's looking good at Thorpe Park. The Carnival event is definitely the place to enjoy even more. And go to the fortune teller and see what your future will be. Especially if you don't know what's coming and something to look at positive things. And yes, I'm really excited to the future. There's definitely clues around somewhere, but it's trying to work them out, you know? This is why it's so good about this event really, keeping an eye for clues. But yeah. Family Prime. Put it in the fridge before you have it because this is my favourite flavour, right? And this tops it big time. And I'm actually drinking currently Ice Pop, and I bought two more. Well, I bought a few. Let's just say I bought another flavour called Blue and Raspberry, which was my favourite flavour until this came out. Yeah. So be sure to subscribe if you want to see more Exodus content. That was a very interesting one today. So at the train stop called Woking at the moment. So yeah. Please remember to take all your personal items with you when you leave the train. Yeah, I better take my Prime with me on the way out. But anyway, overall, I reckon another few more weeks. But the far end section where the trees are definitely ready. So that's for sure. But yeah, thank you very much for support. Yeah, Fright Nights is already under construction updates already now, and the picture of it I'm going to show you now. This is what they started doing today. When on Nemesis, I kind of wonder what that was, but it's pretty obvious really. And if you go to Fortune Teller, it actually has a certain card for it. So yeah, check out Carnival, speculate your future, present and the past. It may be one of those. Yes, definitely go. It is a good event. Carnival's there for a reason. But this is Project Exodus update, and I'm telling you now, the future is related to this event. Until next time, subscribe to see more. See you all later. Let's get 3,300 subscribers and let's do this, because it's going to be a very good future. See you later.